Hi, welcome to the Campus Academic Advising Report tutorial. In this brief tutorial, I will show you how to use your CAAR report. First, we'll start on Google and type in www.calstatela.edu. Next, we'll click on My Cal State LA. Once you sign in, click on Get on the left-hand side. Now that we're logged in, go ahead and click on Self-Service. The CAAR report is located in the Student Center. Simply use the drop-down menu and click Academic Requirements. Welcome to your CAAR. Notice a green check mark signifies that the requirement is satisfied. A yellow diamond means it is in progress. A blue star means it is planned. A red square means the requirement is not satisfied. And lastly, the purple triangle with an exclamation point means there was an exception made. Scrolling down, let's collapse all to get a better view. Notice all the different options to choose from. Click any of the green arrows to continue. I'll choose the lower division GE requirement. Notice in this CAAR, Block A is yellow since A1 and A2 are complete, but A3 is still in progress this semester. Once a passing grade is entered for A3, Block A will be complete and a green check mark will replace all in progress yellow diamonds. Notice in Block B, we have not satisfied. This is because we are in progress in B1 and not satisfied in B2. Notice at the bottom it shows how many units and courses are needed as well. Click through the different options. I'll click one more. Teacher Preparation, option in Elementary Education. Here it will show you all of the classes you still need to take. You can use this as a program plan. If you click any of the options, it will even tell you when they are offered. Thanks for watching.